Hi and welcome to another video. In this video, I will talk about why it is important to run more of your sponsor brands and sponsor display ads. I know that in the past, all of us were using mostly sponsored products because they directly affect the ranking and all the other stuff, but I want to show you why it is important. Now, I pulled this report from Amazon Marketing Cloud, of course, and it's called Path to Conversions by Campaign Groups. So you have the ability to group your campaigns one by one and assign them to the awareness stage, or is it a conversion stage, or any other that you're interested to analyze more. And I will show you the direct effects on the number of purchases, number of people who purchase your products, and the direct effect on the purchase rate. So, and even though it looks a little bit confusing, it's really straightforward, really. Now I've colored with different colors. If the actual path started with the sponsor product in red, sponsor display in blue, and sponsor brands in green. Now, please do know that it says in the brackets it started with SP conversion. That's a group of campaigns. So any campaign from that group from that group that you defined was first in the past. So it can be that it was only one sponsor product campaign. It can be that it was 5 sponsor product campaigns, or whatever the number is that you defined. So it's multiple sponsor products, multiple sponsor brands, and multiple sponsor display campaigns. Now you can then pull this for your account and you can observe. Just do what I'm doing here and you will understand what is the situation on your account. Now this account in particular doesn't have many repeat purchases, so it's all about grabbing the attention of a user and expanding that reach, as you will see. For those of you who don't have much patience to look at all of this, I will just state the obvious now, and then for all of you who want to dive into details, you can continue watching. So whenever the path started with sponsored products, we had 107 people purchase. So this is for the month of November, and only for the selection of campaigns that I wanted to analyze. So it's not for the whole account. So you can do that for all the accounts if you like, or you can just select by one campaign, whatever you like. And then we have a sponsored display where only 31 people purchase, and sponsor brands where 199 people purchased. So whenever we see that the path to purchase started with sponsor brands, we had more people buying. And in general, you can see these are the impressions. Now, I don't like to even look at impressions because it's a vanity metric, because impression is when your ad was served, regardless if it was on a second page, third page, or 100 page, or even page 1, but down or the bottom. If you have that, that's an impression. It doesn't mean that somebody looked at it. But let's say just for the sake of comparison here. So whenever we had impressions started with sponsor product type of ad, we saw 770,000 impressions, then a little over 100,000 for sponsor display, but 1,100,000 with sponsor brands. That's the true impact of sponsor brand. And you can see even here, you can pause the video later on and see that whenever we had these in green sponsor brands, that impressions were quite big, because without it, you would just be limited to sponsor products. And in general, it's not just about counting impressions. So really don't care for that. It's about having better purchase rate, higher conversion rate. As you can see, whenever we had 2 or 3 different campaign groups, our purchase rate increased significantly. Compare that. Let's see where's the only sponsor products. Here's the sponsor products, and the purchase rate is 0.01. Please note, purchase rate is not the same as conversion rate. Purchase rate is how many people were reached and how many people actually bought the product. So using only sponsored products, it's only 0.01. But when you add, for example, sponsor brands to that, it's already 5 times more than that, 0.05. And when you add sponsor display on top of that, then you see these numbers like 3.63, 2.79. So count how much more is that compared to 0.01. So that's significant increase. This whole video shows you the importance of running more of your sponsor display ads, more of your sponsor brand ads, because if you focus with sponsor products only to the people who are in the purchase phase, you're limiting yourself to growth. You're not reaching wide audiences through your awareness campaigns, but just only through sponsor products. And as you know, sponsor display is chasing people all over the internet with your sponsor display campaigns, marketing campaigns. So that's really, really helpful. Definitely it works. When people see more of your ads, they remember you even subconsciously, and they end up buying more often from you. This report is easily accessible through Amazon Marketing Cloud. Just navigate there, go to use cases. It used to be called template, but use cases, that's such a stupid name, and then type path to conversion by groups. Now there are multiple of these, but I like this path to conversion by campaign groups, and you will have to go one by one and add all of your campaigns there that you want to analyze. Let me know if you have any additional comments and questions around that, and stay tuned for another video on Monday. Bye.